Unleashing potential. Fulton County Libraries as community lifelines, a world of opportunities beyond books. In Fulton County, libraries are not just repositories of knowledge. They are vibrant hubs that foster growth, empowerment, and community connections. CBS News Atlanta delved into the heart of two remarkable libraries, uncovering the transformative power that lies within their walls. The Adams Park Branch, a haven for language and life skills. Nestled on Campbellton Road, the Adams Park Branch is a shining example of how libraries adapt to serve their communities. Volunteers like James Clifton go above and beyond, offering more than just reading assistance. Every Wednesday, Clifton's English language class becomes a melting pot of diverse individuals, all seeking to improve their communication skills. It's about helping people thrive in their new environment, enabling them to connect better with their families and contribute meaningfully to our community, Clifton shared. One of Clifton's students, Abdullah Moob, has witnessed the impact firsthand. After a month of dedicated learning, Abdullah aims to leverage his improved English to enhance his productivity at work. The Peachtree Branch, a gateway to education and digital access. The recently renovated Peachtree Branch in Midtown is a testament to the library's role in supporting educational pursuits. Rhonda Shalom, a student returning to her studies after a hiatus, relies on the library's reliable internet and computers to pursue her academic goals. I'm currently taking life coaching certification courses and plan to pursue a master's in psychology and counseling. Having free access to the internet and computers is a game changer, Shalem explained. For many residents in Atlanta, especially those from low-income backgrounds, access to broadband and technology can be a significant hurdle. According to the Pew Research Center, reliable internet at home is a luxury for many, making libraries essential in bridging the digital divide. Addressing critical needs. Beyond books, Peachtree Branch manager Sarah Lewin highlighted how a simple library card can unlock a plethora of community resources. Through kiosks available in libraries, individuals can access vital services such as food and housing assistance, apply for food stamps, temporary assistance for needy families, Medicaid, and WIC. Here, you have the power to improve your life and the lives of those around you. It's an incredible resource, Lewin emphasized. Empowering individuals, transforming lives. At their essence, Fulton County libraries are about more than just books. They are catalysts for personal and professional growth, providing individuals with the tools they need to succeed. Whether it's learning to read, improving language skills, or accessing essential services, these libraries are true lifelines for the community. There are so many people who need a helping hand, a place to feel comfortable and learn. The library provides that safe space, Clifton added. To explore the wide range of programs and resources available at your local Fulton County library, visit fulcallibrary.org. Discover how these libraries are making a difference and empowering individuals to reach their full potential. For more stories like this, visit Atlanta on CBS News, https://atlanta.com.atlanta.